Hey you. Yeah, you. The one scrolling through YouTube instead of chasing your dreams. The one who's been grinding for months, maybe even years, and still feels like you're running in place. You're hustling, you're goal setting, you're manifesting. But deep down, you know something's off. You're not getting the results you want. And guess what? It's because you're chasing the wrong freaking goals. Today, we're ripping off the band-aid. No sugarcoating, no toxic positivity, just the cold, hard truth about why you're stuck and how to fix it. Most people set goals based on what they think they should want, not what they actually want. You're chasing the fancy job title because it sounds impressive. You're grinding for the six-figure salary because society told you it's the benchmark for success. You're trying to build the perfect body because Instagram said so. If your goals don't align with your values, your passions, and your purpose, you're just wasting your time. You're climbing a ladder that's leaning against the wrong wall. And no matter how high you climb, you'll never feel fulfilled. You're not lazy. You're not unmotivated. You're just chasing goals that don't light your soul on fire. And when your goals don't excite you, of course you're going to procrastinate, self-sabotage, and feel like crap. So, how do you fix this? How do you start chasing the right goals? I'm breaking it down into 3 steps. And trust me, if you actually follow these, your life is about to change. Step 1. Get brutally honest with yourself. I'm talking ugly cry in the mirror level of honesty. Ask yourself, why do I want this goal? Is it because you want it? Or because your parents, your friends, or society told you to want it? Grab a piece of paper and write down your top 3 goals. Then, for each one, ask yourself, if I achieve this, will it make me truly happy? If the answer isn't a hell yes, it's time to rethink. And hey, I get it. This is uncomfortable. You might realize you've been chasing someone else's dream, but the good news is it's never too late to course correct. Step 2. Redefine success. Success isn't a one-size-fits-all concept. It's not about the car you drive, the size of your bank account, or the number of followers you have. Success is about living a life that feels authentic and meaningful to you. Ask yourself, what does my ideal day look like? What kind of work excites me? What kind of relationships do I want to build? What legacy do I want to leave behind? When you start defining success on your own terms, you'll stop chasing empty trophies and start building a life that actually matters. Step 3. Set goals that align with your values. This is where the magic happens. Once you know what truly matters to you, you can start setting goals that actually move the needle in your life. For example, if you value freedom, maybe your goal isn't to climb the corporate ladder, it's to start your own business or work remotely. If you value creativity, maybe your goal isn't to make more money, it's to spend more time on your art. The key is to make sure your goals are intentional. They should excite you, challenge you, and push you to grow, not just check a box on society's to-do list. Growth isn't about achieving more, it's about becoming more. It's about aligning your actions with your values, your passions, and your purpose. And when you do that, everything changes. You'll wake up excited instead of hitting snooze. You'll feel energized instead of drained. You'll start making progress instead of spinning your wheels. You have to take action. You can't just watch this video, nod along, and go back to your old habits. You have to do the work. So, grab a notebook, sit down, and get honest with yourself. What do you really want? What kind of life do you really want to live? And what's one goal you can set today that aligns with your values? Write it down. Commit to it. And then take one small step toward it. Right now. Not tomorrow. Not next week. Today. Because you're capable of more than you think. You're stronger than you realize. And you deserve a life that lights you up. So stop chasing the wrong goals and start building the life you were meant to live. Now go, get to work, and I'll see you at the top.